don't think a ratchet strap, yeah, crank it. I don't think that's going to give you enough ass spanky.
Pull the whole parcel.
Okay.
That's all I got.
All right, let's go backwards. So this is the old school way of doing it. So I use chains and all kinds of stuff. So I'm hoping I'm going to kind of stand out of the way a little bit. Keep going. Keep going. Stop. Oh yeah, Mr. Postman. All right, come forward. Jupiter in her head. All right, go nice and slow, Joe. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead. All right. Woohoo! All right, so now at least you can work on it now. That's the way it goes, yo.